Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to decorate our profile in Line. Now let us begin. Note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done it, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding how to log in as well, so worry not. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on your profile picture at the top right here next to my name. I can see my profile picture, so I'm simply gonna click on it. And guys, as you can see, I have already decorated my profile. Now the process is quite easy. At the bottom of the screen, right next to Profile Studio, you can see the decorate button. Click on it. Now guys, there are lots of options. Let's simply go over them one by one. This is the first option. I'm gonna click on it. Well, from here, denote that you can simply change the background. Let's say I select this one. It's gonna ask for my confirmation. I'm simply gonna click on set. This is it. As you guys can see, the background has been changed. Well, denote that you can also add emojis, add whatever you wish. Simply click and hold on it and add it to your desired position. Well, denote that you can also add effects as well. This is the very last button. I'm gonna click on it. You can simply select the effect of your choice. Let's say I select this one. And that is it, guys. You can add text by clicking on this button. And this right here as well. Click on it and add whatever you wish. Well guys, that's it. Once everything's okay with you, simply click on save at the top right. And that is it, guys. That's how you decorate your profile in Line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and definitely subscribe. Until next time, thank you.